Hi, I'm Jake with the Ihara Team, and welcome to the park on Keeaumoku, where modern luxury meets one of Honolulu's most exciting neighborhoods. Perched on the 28th floor, this move-in-ready home captures breathtaking views of Diamond Head, the city skyline, and the mountains from the bedroom, living room, and private lanai. Built in 2023, this residence is loaded with thoughtful upgrades, including premium Samsung appliances, designer finishes, and custom motorized window shades. One feature that really stands out is the developer-installed custom walk-in shower, a feature that adds both style and everyday comfort. Living here also means you're just minutes away from some of Honolulu's best shopping, dining, entertainment, and beaches. Step outside your home and enjoy resort-style amenities, including an infinity pool, cabanas, barbecue spaces, and beautifully designed lounges, perfect for relaxing or working remotely. If you've been looking for a luxury home that's modern, low maintenance, and surrounded by everything Honolulu has to offer, contact us below to schedule your private showing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next tour.